We got our garden going on this year, so we added these boxes up front. Got some broccoli and Lily planted a sunflower. Got some smaller tomato plants growing over there. Got some collard greens. We decided to put flowers in the center box instead of actually planting the vegetables there now. And back here we have our other garden. Everything's growing up, so back here we got the other garden going on. We got some strawberries in there, lots more tomatoes, different variants, like large ones and big slicer ones and little baby cherry tomatoes, and some pepper plants, and looks like another tomato there. We put some seeds in here. Got some peas growing in there. Oh man, it looks like there's something that dug up right there. Probably one of those little critters at night that come out. We got some mint growing in there. Some more tomatoes. We put, I can't remember what we put in this one. We put something in that one, seeds in that one too. We just started with those. There, put some seeds in that one. The grapevine obviously is growing all up and over. I know we put some watermelon seeds in there. We just put them in there. Oh, we got some started already. I just put those in. Oh, and it's pushing up there too. I mean, we literally just put those in there. Some pepper plants. Oh, and another sunflower that Lily wanted to grow. So, another sunflower growing there. And our other grapevines growing up here. We'll eventually have to spread that one. And that's kind of our garden going on here. Our internal one. And if you look, when we plant it, this is our mulberry tree. It's got a crap ton of mulberries starting to grow on it. We got that one. With this mulberry tree over here. Ooh, they got the mulberry here. That one's ready. Yummy. And we got some blueberries growing. So we got little blueberry bushes here. I would say we would love to eat all this stuff half the time, but when we try to go pluck it, like when it's about ready to get ripe, for some reason all the critters like to eat it. Between the birds and the squirrels and whatever else that kind of crawls through here. And then we got some more blueberries and blackberry little bushes growing through here. But sometimes it's just hard to keep it going because all the critters seem to eat it. We don't want to pull it too early because then it's like not even sweet at all. So our theory is grow it in an abundance. I mean, we can put little things around it and everything like that. Ooh, there's actually a blueberry that's actually blue. We might actually get to eat one for once instead of the birds eating them. Yummy. Oh, I should pluck some off for my bearded dragon. She loves blueberries. So that is our garden now. That's what we got going on.